Headline: The New Housing Landscape. Builders embrace smaller homes to navigate affordability crisis. Subheading: Industry adapts design and strategy to meet changing market dynamics. In a housing market characterized by soaring prices and tightening affordability, American homebuilders are embarking on a profound transformation, reimagining the traditional concept of homeownership through the construction of smaller, more cost-effective dwellings. This strategic pivot reflects a concerted effort to address the pressing affordability challenges facing prospective buyers amidst escalating borrowing costs and constrained inventory. The shift towards smaller homes is evident across the industry, with major players like D.R. Horton and LGI Homes leading the charge. D.R. Horton's recent disclosure of a 2% reduction in the average square footage of closed homes underscores a broader trend towards downsizing, mirrored by LGI Homes' notable increase in the proportion of smaller homes closed during this same period. These developments underscore a strategic recalibration within the industry, driven by a commitment to democratizing homeownership in an increasingly unattainable market. At the crux of this paradigm shift lies the urgent need to confront affordability head-on, as home prices continue their upward trajectory at a pace not seen in years. With annual price increases of 6.4% recorded in February, coupled with mortgage rates stubbornly hovering above 7%, the dream of homeownership is slipping further out of reach for many Americans. Against this backdrop, the move towards smaller homes emerges as a pragmatic response to the affordability crisis, enabling builders to maintain price competitiveness while expanding access to homeownership. An analysis of data from industry sources reveals a discernible downtrend in the average square footage of newly constructed homes, signaling a departure from the era of sprawling McMansions towards a more streamlined approach to housing design. Yet, the transition to smaller homes is not merely about scaling back dimensions. It represents a fundamental reimagining of spatial dynamics and functionality. Builders are pioneering innovative design strategies that prioritize versatility and efficiency, eschewing traditional formal living and dining living spaces. Despite the downsizing, emphasis remains on delivering quality amenities and features that resonate with buyers, with spacious kitchens and optimized primary bedrooms featuring prominently in new designs. Moreover, the evolution of home design extends beyond mere square footage reduction to encompass a holistic reevaluation of living spaces. Builders are embracing creative solutions to maximize space utilization, integrating features like built-in workspaces within primary bedrooms and streamlining bathroom layouts to reflect evolving lifestyle preferences. In essence, the trend towards smaller homes represents a seismic shift in the housing landscape, characterized by a fusion of affordability, innovation, and sustainability. By embracing smaller footprints and reimagining traditional design paradigms, builders are not only addressing immediate affordability challenges, but also shaping a more equitable and resilient housing future for generations to come.